Somewhat 2076 is coming to an end, and what a year it has been. A complete roller coaster where we started the year with 40,000 levels in the Sensex, which went down to 26,000 in the month of March, and by the end of the year we are almost at the same levels from where we started. So what is one thing that Somewhat 2076 taught us? Hello everyone, myself Neville Desai, Certified Financial Planner representing DIFCO Investment Services, and today I am going to tell you one thing that Somewhat 2076 taught us. Never try to time the market, especially if you are a long-term investor and especially if you are investing through mutual funds. अब सबसे पहले मार्केट टाइमिंग होता क्या है? जब लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर्स शॉर्ट टर्म सिनेरियो को प्रिडिक्ट करके मार्केट में एंट्री या फिर मार्केट से एग्जिट करते, उसे मार्केट टाइमिंग कहते हैं. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, व्हाट दे ट्राई टू डू इज दे ट्राई टू बाय लो एंड सेल हाई और वाइसा वर्सा बाय एग्जिटिंग फ्रॉम द मार्केट व्हेन दे फील दैट मार्केट इज ओवरवैल्यूड or when they predict some uncertainty, thinking that they will re-enter the market when it is fairly priced or when situation normalizes. However, what happens in reality is that most of the times these investors get sidelined from the market as they keep waiting for more correction or fall in the market, trying to catch the bottom and ultimately missing the rally when market cycle reverses. This year also, same thing happened with many long-term investors when they tried to time out the market. What they thought was they would exit the market temporarily and re-enter the market when market conditions stabilizes. What happened in reality was that after falling and consolidating for almost 4 months, market ran in one direction and investor kept waiting for situation to stabilize, thinking that they will enter the market at lower levels, ultimately getting sidelined from the market or re-entering at higher levels. Why long-term investors should not try to time the market? Firstly, when you enter into equity markets, you should have a minimum time horizon of at least 5 to 7 years. एक बात समझिए कि आप कोई फिक्स डिपॉजिट नहीं बना रहे जो एक ही डायरेक्शन में बढ़ेगा. Equity markets are supposed to work and perform in a zigzag manner. Secondly, market timing is supposed to be done by traders and should not be done by long-term investors, as it is practically impossible to catch upside and bottoms of the market more than once. On a flip side, trying to time the market may also cost you heavily. जैसे कि इस बार हुआ, काफी लोगों ने मार्च अप्रैल के मंथ में मार्केट से एग्जिट कर दिया ये सोच के दैट वो लोग लोअर लेवल्स पे री एंटर हो गए, बट इन रियलिटी वो वापस एंटर ही नहीं हो पाए एंड अल्टीमेटली दे गॉट साइडलाइन फ्रॉम द मार्केट. एंड लास्टली, व्हेन यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग थ्रू म्यूचुअल फंड्स, देयर इज अ क्वालिफाइड फंड मैनेजर हु इज ऑलरेडी टेकिंग दिस डिसीजंस ऑन योर बिहाफ. Also, there are funds like balance advantage funds that are specifically designed to allocate equity and debt based on market valuations. These funds change their equity and debt portions on daily or weekly basis depending upon market valuations. Example, as on 13th November 2020, जब सेंसेक्स 43,000 के लेवल पे है, allocation in equity in say ICICI Balance Advantage Fund is only 58%. In Kotak Balance Advantage Fund is only 42%, and in Tata Balance Advantage Fund is only 48%. So the fund manager is always trying to time the market on your behalf. मार्केट में कल या अगले हफ्ते या अगले महीने क्या होने वाला है ये कोई नहीं बता सकता. So if you are a long-term investor and have patience that is required in equity market, no day can be better to enter into markets than today. Obviously, the category of fund that you select is very important, and as discussed in current situation, investing in balance advantage category is recommended. So next time when you try to time the market, ask yourself that जब February, March, April, May, June 2020 में market crash हुआ था, were you able to invest at that time, or did you wait for more correction and ultimately miss the rally? Remember, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market that ultimately matters. And finally, wish you all a very happy and a safe Diwali. May this new year bless each one of us with abundance of health, wealth and prosperity.